Greetings friends, I'm Karkuvel Raja from Tidbits. If you clicked this video looking for phrasal verbs, you have clicked the right video. Let us learn a phrasal verb. Today's phrasal verb is look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Here are some examples. I have to look after my sister when my parents go out. My father looks after my family. It is the teacher's responsibility to look after the students in the classroom. Friends, look after is a phrasal verb which means to take care of someone or something. I used another phrasal verb in this video. In the beginning of this video, I used a phrasal verb. Do you know what that is? If your answer is look for, your answer is right. Look for means to search or to try to find. Here are some examples. I am looking for a nice job. They are looking for a pen they lost in the garden. So, we have learned two phrasal verbs today. Friends, I hope this lesson will be useful to you. Thank you so much for listening to me.